Winter is coming.
And it's already damn cold in my house. And this bad boy decided to stop working. I suspect water damage. Yeah, that's quite a lot of water damage. Ew. Good. That one looks a bit rusty at the end. Should be fine. Nope. Seems like there's no power. 2.8. 2.87 volts. 2.87 capacitor. 0, that's probably ground. 0.27 the diode. 0.1 this side is 0.1 0.47 0.18 0.47. What is this? 3 volts. It goes into here. 0.27 0.23 0.47 through here into here. What do we have on this side? 2.87. Okay, maybe we should resolder that. This resistor here. 2.87. This is probably our big power rail, so 0.47. That's too low. I think it's too low. I think that should be like 3. So the batteries are both in. It should have Yeah, we're not getting power to this chip. Pin 1 of the LED, nothing. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, nothing. Making sure that we see the reading. Yeah, 3 volts. Charging it up, releasing. Now if we do the same thing on the other one, we don't need to, because it already shows that it's fully charged.
We took out that capacitor that was showing the weird voltage drop off because something is draining it. I thought it might be the capacitor. After doing the measurement, it seems that it's fine, which means that that's not our fault. So then I went back to the PCB. I saw some UV gel falling off of it to make sure that that's not the fault, and that was in it too. I did a lot of measurements to check where is the voltage going to, where is it dropping, because the reading was quite weird, 0.47. And then I noticed this inductor, which was reading a 0 volts. So then I thought, okay, let me check. What if we bypass half of the circuit by using a tweezer? And there you go. The LED lit up. This means we have power and everything is functioning. I thought, let's also take out that second capacitor to see what's below it. And that's quite ugly, so I cleaned that up. Then I checked the inductor again, and it was reading infinite resistance. Found some type of replacement from, I don't know, maybe a TV board, same size, should fit perfectly. All that's left now is to put back the inductor, put back the 2 capacitors, clean the board, and test.